Hey you guys, how's it going? Eliza here from ElizaCabrera.com, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about dropshipping. What is dropshipping, how to get started with dropshipping, and how can you make money online with dropshipping, right? Let's get right into it. So the first thing is, what is dropshipping? If you have no idea what dropshipping is, guys, dropshipping is very simple. It's basically you selling something online, right? Whatever that may be. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my NutriBurst. Actually, this is a drop shipping company too, so that's the funny part. So let's say you want to sell this NutriBurst bottle, right? Drop shipping is basically when you're selling something, right? For example, the NutriBurst bottle, but you do not have the inventory in your house. So what that means is that you are providing this product to somebody on the internet, but you are selling it through a third party, right? So this is actually a very great example. In the company Total Life Changes, you can sell the product and they're going to do the shipping for you. That's exactly what drop shipping is, guys. It's basically you just marketing online in whatever platform, which we're going to talk about that, and then the product is being delivered to your customer via a third company, whatever that company is, right? In the example I just gave you, Total Life Changes, they're shipping the product to your customer, right? However, drop shipping, you can sell many different things, whatever that is, from clothes to electronic. It all just depends on you finding a reliable vendor, right? That's basically the definition of drop shipping. I really hope that makes sense. If you guys have any questions, you can go ahead and drop that down in the comments, right? So how do you drop ship? In order for you to drop ship, guys, literally you can sell on whatever platform allows you to sell. You do not need to get a website, right? So a lot of times people teach you how to drop ship via Shopify or Wix, or basically creating your own website, right? And people say Shopify a lot because Shopify is extremely easy to use and it's very great for the e-commerce space. So if you are selling an actual product, then you definitely want to go through Shopify. They make it very, very easy. But if you're doing digital products or service-based business, I do not recommend Shopify, but that's another video, right? In this video, we're talking about dropshipping. So you can go through the process of starting your own Shopify website or Wix or whatever platform you decide to use, and then finding your vendor, right? You want to find a vendor that's going to be reliable and that has quality products and that has good shipping times, right? Those are, I think, the top three things when it comes to finding vendors. You want to make sure that this is somebody that when you're reaching out to them and they're shipping out the product to your customer, that they're going to get it there in a timely fashion and it's a good quality product, right? So those are the top things when it comes to drop shipping, guys. That's pretty much it. Where can you drop ship? Again, in any marketplace. So what are some examples? Some examples are, yes, you can drop ship from Facebook Marketplace. You can drop ship on eBay, which I actually have a great video on that. I'll drop that in the description where I show you exactly me looking for a product. You can drop ship on Mercari, which is another selling app, OfferUp, Poshmark. These are all selling apps. So wherever you can place a photo of your product, you can sell on, right? You can drop ship from, right? The thing is just about you being clear with your customer. Now here's the thing, you're not gonna tell your customer, hey, I'm getting this from a third party, right? Because obviously the objective here is for you to make a profit, but you want to make sure that you're clear on your descriptions, right? That's why sometimes it is good for you to order a product, for you to see, okay, what does this product look like? Is this a good product? Is it good quality, right? And you don't have to order a bunch. You could just order one, see what it looks like, see what's the quality, and then you're gonna write your own description, guys. So let me back up a little bit here, right? So let's say you find the product that you want to sell, right? Like for example, this is actually, I bought this from a girl. I'm gonna drop down her website because it's so beautiful, right? So let's say you want to sell these purses right here. This is a great example. And you found a vendor that is drop shipping them, right? You found somebody who's drop shipping the product. So what you would do is, I would recommend you buy at least one, You buy one, you see what it looks like, you take your pictures so that you can stand out, because a lot of people are drop shipping, guys, and you want to stand out, especially if you're doing on a marketplace like Mercari, eBay. If you're using one of those, other people are gonna be selling the same thing as you, so you want to stand out. So you order your product, and then you take pictures of it, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna post it as a listing on whatever website that is. Once you post that on whether you have your own website or if you're using Mercari or Facebook Marketplace, once somebody makes an order, all you're simply going to do is you're gonna go to that vendor's website, and you are going to place the order and let them know. There's gonna be a notes section in the vendor's website, and you let them know, I am drop shipping this item. Please do not include any receipts or invoice. Very simple. If they're a drop shipping company, then you're gonna be fine. You're not gonna have no issues, guys. And you want to figure out, do you guys drop ship before you start drop shipping? And what makes it so amazing with drop shipping is that you don't have to do any shipping, right? So you're not gonna have to have inventory in your house. You can simply test items out and list them in different places and see what sells, right? So the pros of drop shipping is, you don't have to actually have inventory in your house. You don't have to ship item out. The cons is product research, guys. I'll do a whole nother video on that. I feel like that's the biggest thing when it comes to drop shipping, is really finding products that are going to sell, because you can list this beautiful purse and you can love it, but what about if people don't love it? You know what I'm saying? Or finding good quality vendors, guys. Actually being able to find somebody who's going to give you good quality and then allowing you to mark up the price. So that's another thing when it comes to drop shipping is, let's say this purse is costing me $20, you want to make a profit, so you should at least double it, right? So if I'm going to post that on there, I'm going to go ahead and sell it for at least $40 so that you can make a profit, because that's not including whatever listing fees you're getting charged, taxes, and obviously the original price that you're paying for the item, guys. So I don't want to make this,
I just had to add this in here. Back to the
I
video.
just wanted to do some quick basics. Guys, if you're interested in joining my Facebook group, I do have a free e-commerce group where you can come on there, ask your questions. I'll answer them to my best ability. And I'm dropping that link down in the description. I'll share some vendor list in there with you. And let's get this money, guys. As always, you already know we're busy making money online. And I will see you in the next video.